Hey fancy people, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to do a eyebrow tutorial for you guys because I started this new eyebrow routine that I absolutely love, and it's like so easy, it's so fabulous, and it comes out so real. Like it just really enhances the beauty of my eyebrow. I'm not a super duper big like makeup person. I don't really wear that much makeup other than my eyebrows, and I really was tired of putting makeup in my eyebrows, like having to, you know, worry about them wiping off and things like that. So this is a really cool eyebrow tutorial that will keep your eyebrows looking bomb all day, keep them looking fresh without smearing and having to worry about any of that, and they will stay intact all day. Now I will give you a heads up, this eyebrow tutorial got a little ratchet. My tripod broke, and at one point I was holding the camera with my own hand and doing my eyebrows, but I promise you guys that I'm gonna edit it to perfection and make it as easy to follow so you guys can try this at home as well. If you like the way that they're looking now, continue watching to see just how I did it. Enjoy, and also subscribe to join us on this fancy journey to find out how to design a fancy life. Hey, so this is my face before I enhance the beauty. My eyebrows, I get them threaded, so they haven't been threaded in probably about a couple of weeks, and I apologize for that light in the back. The video gets better, I promise. First things first is I take my handy dandy toothbrush and I brush my eyebrow hairs. Brushing my eyebrow hairs up is going to allow me to create a fuller look, and you guys are going to understand why right now. Now I get my magic wand, which is Wet n Wild's Mega Length Mascara. Now, this is the only product that I use on my eyebrows. So what I do is I basically get my mascara brush and I brush the hairs, hashtag the hairs of my eyebrow. Now, you have to be really careful with this, because if you mess up and you touch too much of your skin and you get black mascara on your eyebrow, like a chunk of it, it'll ruin everything. So you have to be very careful. One trick that I use is I scrunch my eyebrows like I make a mad dog face, and that allows my hairs to like pop up, and then that lets me get the just the mascara only on the hair. I'm trying to stay calm because my tripod is really broken. Look, this is what it's been holding up on, and it keeps falling, and I'm just trying to stay calm, but I'm really irritated. It makes me not want to do these kind of things, makes me not want to make a video, but I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so I had to create a little stand situation and switch my lens, so let's continue. So here's how my eyebrows look after I went through it with the mascara. They're a lot fuller, a lot thicker looking. It makes the eyebrows hairs pop. So now I'm just going to go through with my concealer. This is just a concealer brush that I got from Target, and this is a concealer that I get from MAC. Now this part is really important because with the concealer, like the concealer has the power to create shadows that don't even really exist. What that means is when I outline my eyebrow, if there is a part of the eyebrow, like specifically the ends of my eyebrows aren't as thick or don't go as far or long as I would want it to, I use my concealer to create that tail. And also when outlining the top of my eyebrows, I want them to be thick, so I go just a little bit above where the hairs are, and then you can see here how I created this tail with hair that doesn't even exist. And boom, connected a tail, created an outline without even hair even being there. Okay, so then I'm just gonna go and conceal my eyebrow. So honestly, I don't even know why I'm making this video. Oh crap. I can't talk and do my eyebrows. I just don't want to mess up. What am I saying to you guys? Oh, the reason why I decided to do this video, because I'm not a makeup person, but I do my eyebrows, and I feel like I do them pretty good. Is because this channel is all about like how I design a fancy life, right? And when I say design a fancy life, that doesn't necessarily mean like it has to be fabulous and like glitzy and glam. That's not what it really means. If you want a really in-depth explanation onto what design a fancy life means, you can go, I'll put it in the description, but you can also go to clarysfancy.com, go to the about, and it talks a little bit about me, and it also talks about what design a fancy life truly means, and it's really deep, and I don't think I have the brain to say what it is right now and do the eyebrows. But if you guys could go on there or look in the description, that really tells you, because it's more than that. And anyway, so the reason why that pertains to why I'm making this video. See, I'm making it too thin talking to you guys. Crap. The reason why that's important is because I just really want to share every inch and ounce of knowledge that I have to share with you guys. And I started this new eyebrow routine, and I really like it. And I wanted to share it with you guys because that's what I'm here for. Okay, I like this eyebrow so much better than I like this one. Why? Is it because it's not dark enough? The concealer? I think it's because the light is washing out what this side of this eyebrow really looks like. I think that's what it is. We will see when I do the slow-mos. It's for 3 minutes. Talking too much. This eyebrow routine usually takes about 20 minutes if you're being really meticulous. I know that because I do it. Got makeup on my shirt. Of course I did. Okay, so then I blend it out with this other brush that I got from Target. It was $1. You know those dollar elf brushes that Target always has? I just pretty much use those because I'm not about to spend no $15 on no brush when the dollar one's gonna do the same thing. It just doesn't make any sense to me. Unless it's like organic, then I guess that makes more sense. Anyway, so then I just go and I blend it out. Now, I'm not, like I said, I'm not like a big makeup person other than eyebrows, so that literally means I'm not about to put no foundation on. I only wear foundation unless I'm going on, like, I'm going to be out taking pictures somewhere fancy where I'm going to meet a lot of people, a lot of cameras, a lot of lights. Special occasions, obviously, stuff like that. So like the equivalent to getting your hair straightened when you're little. That's how I treat foundation on my face. And sometimes I do it for I've done it a couple times for my YouTube videos if I was trying to be extra bomb. But the way I do my makeup is really simple. I have a video for that I made, but I haven't uploaded it because I just wasn't sure if, see, this is the eyebrow that I jacked up on, but that eyebrow looks really good. So I think I kind of want to go and make this one just a little bit darker. Actually, I really don't. I don't know why this one just isn't looking as bomb as that one is. I think it is because it's not as dark. Whatever. So the technique when I scratch my eyebrows, that's to get the hairs to stick up, and you can just get the hair straight up, head on, collision. All right, so I blend that out, and then I'm done. No, I'm just kidding. You guys will be like, what? Then I just put my Studio Fix foundation, the powder. Literally, these are the only two like things of makeup that I have that I use, and my life is really good that way. Okay, so then I just go and I put it on my eyelid. And then I kind of just, you know, create a smoky eye. I'm just kidding. And then I just like dab it because I don't want to get rid of that highlight. Then I just dab it on there. But you know what's weird? When I got this with this one, this particular Studio Fix, it's a little, I think I got a darker shade than I had before because it looks like I give myself a bruise sometimes. I don't do right. Like it's not blending well with the concealer, which I don't like. Makes my eyes look a little too dark, but whatever. That's what we got right now. So then, yeah, so I try to do this to make my, I don't know. I did that technique one time, like showing extra powder here. And then I went somewhere that night and the girl said I looked like a doll. She's like, oh my God, you're so beautiful, you look like a doll. So I always did that technique after that because I felt like that technique was I felt like that technique was the thing that made me look like a doll. Who knows? Okay, and then it just like magically blends with my skin, and if it doesn't, no one ever tells me, and it doesn't matter. I decided to show you how I do my mascara. Because look, when people do their mascara, they get like every lash, and it's so ugly when it's all spaced out and even. Unless that's how your eyelashes are naturally, then I mean, there's nothing you could really do about that. But mine aren't, and I'm all about looking real and natural. So I just find my eyelashes and then I just go over them with the mascara wherever they are. Particularly, I always want to make sure I have a long, thick something in the middle of my lashes. And a little bit of a cat eye. Oh, cute, right? I know. And when I do this look, let me tell you, can't nobody tell me nothing. I feel cute. These are my real eyelashes. Girl. Let me do the other side. Ooh, this is a ratchet video. And this video is so ratchet because I'm holding it with my hand at this point. I have no choice. So this is how I look. So as you guys can tell, it looks so much better in this lighting. And yes. So this is my natural eyebrow routine. Because it really is my eyebrows. There's no fakeness up in there other than the eyebrow lashes that I kind of created a little bit of a some kind of something. So give me some